So yes, Subhasri, kindly introduce yourself.
So I am
Just a second. Hope all of you been with my previous two classes. All of you been with my previous two classes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, I do you have any doubt after these people got qualified, even after gap, even after being into private sector, even after having different experiences, anyone can qualify. Just you have to have faith on yourself. Okay. Just remain motivated, stay focused, stay with the materials I'm giving to you. Okay, don't worry. So nobody will open his video. Nobody is open his videos till Subhasri is in line with me. So please listen, don't unmute. The rectifications that I will be doing with I will be doing to the answers of Subhasri is also going to help you a lot, and the questions that I will be asking her is going to help also all of you. Okay. So
Good
yes,
evening, sir.
yeah, okay. Please introduce yourself. But the working in State Bank of India is really challenging. Hence, apart from business issues, you have to deal with public pressure. Anyone from public sector bank can rectify. You cannot tell about the peer pressure. Peer pressure is in every organization, like the pressure from the seniors.
So can you repeat it once?
Yes. I will repeat or you will repeat for me?
No, sir. Can you repeat it once? I am asking you to repeat.
Yes. So, sir, I believe that yes, my job in private sector bank is challenging, but as my perception says, as I have been into so many branches of public sector branches, so I find there is another kind of pressure, like public pressure is there, because the walk-in, the footfall, and the public dealing is more in a public sector bank. So the public interaction and the public pressure seems to be more in a public sector bank or a bank like State Bank of India, which is banker to every single Indian of the country. Which is the banker to every single Indian of the country, and it is a bank being banker to the mass. There are some inherent pressures that are associated with it that I would love to deal. That I would love to deal. Okay. Others, please remain mute. Electronically cleared. So what is the benefit of CTS?
Sir?
What is the benefit of CTS?
Benefit of CTS. The benefit of means if any customer provide check to the bank officers, so for example,
clearing time is less. Clearing time is less. Less time consuming. The clearing
yes,
of
sir.
the check is less time consuming.
Less time.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So in case a check is bounced, under which section and under which act the bank can file a case against the customer?
That's section 21, sir.
No. It is popularly known as section 138.
Section 138.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Santosh. Time is limited for me. I think this is a second mock for you, so we'll make it little limited. Let's give people more chance. I will come back to you again. No issues. So I think you are now reading a lot, so things are getting changed for you. You are having clear-cut idea. So please read a lot. That streaming issue, you can what you call your issue. You can tell it in prior to your interview. Do mention it. Okay.
Yes, sir. Sir, one
Yeah.
note, sir. If I
Tell me.
Starting only, sir. If I mention starting only, sir, I have triple stabbing problem. So the interview will think about me negative. Some people think that if you tell starting stabbing problem, the interview will think about thing negative, and you won't select telling, sir.
No. You just tell him, okay, sir. Kindly excuse me. I have this much of problem. So kindly, in case it will take a little time for me to answer. So please excuse me. Okay. You can tell it. It's a very good thing to tell. So there is no issue. I told everyone in my session that please glorify the things you have. Okay. So there is no use. It's something that is not under your control. So you can mention it. No issue. Okay. It is not under your control, so this is not what you decided. So please answer things. Yeah, try to be specific, so they will understand that you don't want to consume their time. Hence, you are being specific. Like if they say, ask you like, what is the issue in CTS? Why it is CTS is being used? The simple answer you can give, sir. It's less time consuming. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes. Gotula Manikanta says it's natural. It's not your weakness. Right, right, right. Have you seen my today's PNB session? The way I have changed the perception of my students has worked a lot. There is no issue in quitting job. There is no issue being in private banks. There is no issue having getting failed in your life. It's absolutely okay. Whether you win or you fail, whether I win or I fail, at the end all of us have to die. So there is nothing great in failing in your life or in succeeding at one time. So nothing. Okay. Okay. 8 months for yes. Thank you. Someone else come, please. So that's why, see, the mock is not that much important. I take mock in a very diligent way, so that's good. But I want you to come prepared with banking knowledge. Everyone watching us, why I don't want you to rush to direct mocks. Mock is okay. Mock will boost your confidence. The way you people are joining, I think. When you go to mock, I as of now you have known that my mocks are almost real. So what you have to do, come armed with banking knowledge. Sometimes it should be more than me. I have also referred a few books. That's why I got some idea. Okay, I still run PPT. It's completely difficult to remember everything that is on earth, and I don't want to make myself a computer. Okay, I want to refer things because I am not going to sit in interviews so that I will everything will be I need to be memorized. But I want you to remember certain things. Okay, please read, please take leave, and don't worry. Thank God that these SBI people are not telling you the results. The date of interview. I am not asking anyone right now because I know my students are not ready. I know my students are not ready. Why I will ask them, or if someone will hear that, someone will say that take it as students are now asking us for the interview date. You have to publish it. I don't want to make someone hurry because I know it will take you a week to read all this. Please, almost a week gone. Some of you have read it. Please start reading. I am very much serious about your results. Because today I was having 4 people selected, 3 people on the screen. But the day SBI CBO result will come, I want minimum 200 in my screen. Okay, so that will be my achievement. Please read thoroughly. Okay, please, whom you will favor. So these are practical questions that you are going to be asked. So please. Yes, budget I will ask, but limited questions. Budget, what I believe that if 10 of you will go to interview, 2-3 people will be asked about the budget. If the interview will take place within a week, then few more questions will come from budget. If it will be after 15 or 20, after 15th or 18th or like 20th of February, then this budget news will be little less. Question from budget will be little less, but important facts will be asked like income tax, etc.